Natural Divas, it is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you again with another video. I Friday got a package when I came home. My husband had it waiting for me when I got home, and this package was my March Curlbox. I waited for this weekend to open it up. I wasn't really in the mood to do a unboxing, so I waited for a while, and I'm kind of glad. Let me fix my camera, guys. Okay, here we go. So I'm kind of glad I did wait, but doing an unboxing of my Curlbox for the month of March. I opened the box up already. I just haven't pulled the box out. For people who don't know, Curlbox is a monthly subscription that you get that has curly hair products for the curly girl or curly man, whoever got curly hair. You pay $20 and you get the 4 to 5 regular size products when it comes, excuse me guys, regular size products that are usually from the same brand. You pay $20 for the box and then $5 for the shipping. I'm sorry, $20 for the subscription and $5 for the shipping. I have been receiving this since October 2018. I've enjoyed my boxes. I think it's only been a few items in them that I have not liked. Majority of the time I love it. That's why I got introduced to a lot of body milk and honey. I got introduced to the canned 2 products. I got introduced to, what else came out of them? It's just been a pleasure of getting the Curlbox. It's hard to get on the list. When you do get it, you put yourself on the list, and as soon as you get the email, you need to jump onto it because somebody will take your spot real quick. I had a difficult time getting on getting the box. I had to be on the list for like a month, and then after that month, I got on there. I played around on the computer until I got there, got on it. So they usually take their money out around the, I think it's around the 12th or the 15th or something for the previous box that you're going to get. So you'll get up, like I got this March box, they've already taken the money for April box. So, but here's the March box. It's in this pretty little pink box. I always tell you, I love the color of the boxes. So here's my box. Open it up. Okay, the first thing I see, it says, this is Curl Friend Paradise. And it looks like Eden Body Works coconut oil. Oh, it's like a little card to teach you about Eden Body Works. So I'm assuming this line might be something I want. I hope so. But it's like an app you can go on. I looked into that. Oh my goodness. And you always get the Curlbox thing if you go on Instagram and tag them to your picture. They pick someone randomly to give a secret prize to with Curlbox showing your products or styles on Instagram. So I might end up doing that. But I am loving this little card they got in here, the beauty checklist Curlbox. Look at this gorgeous young lady. That is gorgeous. Her melanin is popping. Okay, let me see. Oh, look at this picture. Oh, look at that, look at that. Doesn't that look good, y'all? Yes, Diva, yes. That's pretty beauty. Okay. Letter from the editor. Let me see if I can read this without my glasses. Y'all know. Ooh. My beauty checklist. I can't read this without my glasses. I ain't even gonna try. I'll read it later on. But it's boost growth, style with speed, remedy dryness, and keep shining. So I'll read this later on. All right. And it comes in this pretty packaging with those 2 cards on top and the black packaging. Let's open it up. And it is Eden Body Works Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I am happy. All right. Don't know where to start. Okay, let's start with this bottle here. Okay, before I even go on here, I love me some Eden Body Works coconut line. Let me get it. Wait a minute. This right here, I love. I love this. I start using this. Where did I buy this? I don't know why. I saw somebody use it, and I was so excited about it that I had to go buy the Eden Natural Coatifying Cream, Coconut Shea. Oh, it reminds me, as I said, of Laffy Taffy. Complete Laffy Taffy smell. When you're a kid and you love Laffy Taffy, like banana, the banana Laffy Taffy, that's what it smells like. Oh, it came to me. But here, you can tell I love it because it's almost gone. You can see that in there. But it's almost gone. And I love Eden Body. And I tried to buy the whole line, but it's just hard to find it, the whole line in all the stores, like either the Target or the Walmart I go to. I bought this at Walmart, and they had the shampoo, but I couldn't find the other rest of the line, so I'll get it. But I'm happy now to get this. Okay, Eden Body Works Papaya Castor Scalp Cleanser. Oh, what it says on here: gentle cleanser to exfoliate and nurture the hair and scalp. Remove dirt buildup, balance hair and scalp pH. How to use: apply to wet hair, lather, or on scalp and hair. Rinse well. Know the facts: no mineral oils, no dyes, cruelty-free, made in the USA. And here it goes. The Eden Body. Let me move up a little bit so you can see it. The Eden Body Papaya Castor. Okay. That is the shampoo. I wonder how it smells. What's the consistency of it? Smell tropical. Smell like pineapples almost. Go. Alright. See what the little jars are. This is the Eden Body Works Conditioning Hairdress Papaya Castor Oil. Here we go here. That light, guys. You're blind, sister. There we go. Alright, let's see. It smells the same as the shampoo. It's like a hair grease, it looks like. What they say how to use it. Let's see. Apply to a small amount of hair and style. Styling hair balm to nourish and strengthen the hair shafts, smooth hair cuticles, and add shine to dull hair. So it's a hair balm. Okay. And that, okay, the shampoo was how many ounces? 12 ounces. The hair balm, 8 ounces. And now this is the Eden Body Works Nourishing Curl Jam. And how to use this: apply to hair and style. Smooth, sleek styling, light hold, styling and conditioning, moisturizing jelly for texture and or curly hair. Okay. Same smell. You can see like it's a whip. It's thick. Look how thick it is, not coming out. So that's the consistency of it. It has a really nice smell to it, like candy apple smell like. And then we have Papaya Castor Foam Conditioner. I ain't never had a foam conditioner. What? Here we go. Foam conditioner. And this is 8.9 ounces. It says how to use. Generally apply on damp hair, shafts down to the ends. Do not rinse. So it's a leave-in conditioner. Okay then, a leave-in conditioner. Can't wait to try that. And the last item is Eating Body Works Papaya Castor Oil Scalp Massaging Serum. It is 4 fluid ounces. You see that? Let's see, gonna smell. Smells the same as everything else in the line. It says how to use. Apply lightly directly onto scalp. Massage into scalp. Do not rinse. Soothe scalp using a vitamin blend of A, C, D, and E. Hydrating and nourishing. So, scalp massage. I wonder if I use this every night for a while and see how my scalp, because I be itching sometimes. And I think it's because I have dry scalp and I don't put anything on my scalp. So I wonder if I try this for a couple nights. I don't know. I might try that. So here is the Curlbox for the month of March. Let me put everything back in it so you can see what comes in it. Get all this wonderful stuff. But here is the month of March, the Eating Body Works Papaya and Castor line. Can't wait to try it. And as soon as I try it out, I will let y'all know what I think about it. But that is my Curlbox for the month of March. Remember, guys, it is a subscription. It is $20 a month with $5 shipping, so it come out to be $25. I think it's worth it. Even with the boxes, I don't like all the products. I am able to give it away to a family member, or I'll try it out and let y'all see how it does for my hair, and then give it away to like my daughter or someone else that might can use it. So it is worth the money. Worth the money. If I had went to the store and bought all this, it would not have been $20. It'd been probably more. So can't beat it. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. So that is the Curlbox for the month of March. Thank you for your likes, your shares, your comments. And have you received the Curlbox, or have you even tried this before? Have you tried this line before? Any Eating Body Works lines? Just let me know how it does for your hair. And if you have gotten your Curlbox or signing up for the Curlbox, let me know what happened with your process of getting it, because it was kind of difficult for me to get on the line, get on the waiting list, and then get my actual Curlbox. So I wonder, was it hard for you too? So, but I have to say, it was worth every minute me sitting on that line, on that internet, trying to get it. But then I realized it might have been easier for me if I had did it on my laptop and not trying to do it through my phone. Because as soon as I got off my phone and went into my laptop and tried to do it, I got it just like that. So it might have been just the phone mobile thing wouldn't hook up with the link to what I was trying to get the Curlbox. So I can't say it was Curlbox, or I can't say it was my phone. So I just went onto my laptop and just tried it that way and got it. I mean, this papaya smells good. It's all up in my nose now. But thank you again for, as I said, for all your likes, your comments, your shares. If you're new, hit the subscription button and join the Natural Diva family. And if you would like to know the next time I put up a video, hit the notification bell down there. And thank you again for your support. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.